Well, slowing growth in China, the recession in Europe, and the increasing popularity of mobile devices like smartphones and tablets have caused a drop in demand for personal computers. Now, this is not good news for Microsoft. Its operating system Windows fuels the vast majority of PCs. So with demand for PCs dropping, it's becoming even more important for Microsoft to gain a foothold in the mobile space. Karina Huber joins us with more. Karina.
Yeah, Michelle, I mean, if we're seeing that Microsoft's core business, which is creating products for the PC market, is a market that is waning, if they want to stay relevant, they have to get into the mobile market. Now, they haven't done that in the past 10 years, which is largely why their stock is flatlined over the past decade. Now, getting into the space, of course, is not easy at this late stage when you've got formidable competitors like Apple and Google. But according to a series of announcements, recent announcements made by the company, it seems that Microsoft is serious about getting into mobile. The long-term relationship between internet giant Microsoft and NBC, an American television network, has come to an end.
For 16 years.
The two created MSNBC.com in the mid-1990s. At the time, NBC needed Microsoft's technological expertise, but that's no longer the case. NBC Universal was acquired by Comcast last year, and since then, there have been a lot of changes at the network.
You saw what they did with their latest Disney deal is a 10-year contract that has digital rights. Olympics has digital rights. So I think this is very much so consistent with their strategy to go digital.
Focusing on digital is the strategy of most media companies right now. It's an area where Microsoft, once a technological leader, has lagged, and now it's playing a hard game of catch-up with competitors like Apple and Google. As part of its push into mobile, Microsoft has designed a new operating system, Windows 8, available on PCs and tablets as of October. It is also coming out with its own tablet called the Surface.
For people who work out of their
And on Monday, the company announced it would be releasing a new version of Office, its suite of software including Word, Outlook Email, and PowerPoint. It's called Office 2013, and it will be more compatible with tablets. Analysts say the company is at a make-it-or-break-it moment.
It's extremely important that they need to act on making a push into mobile devices today. And Windows 8 specifically is going to be the biggest and most important product launch that they're going to have to make here.
Now, Angelo says he believes that Microsoft will be able to become a third player in this market. That's largely because they have strong brand recognition and their new operating system is comparable to that of Google and Apple's. At the same time, they have a strong relationship with businesses, and Angelo believes that Microsoft can capitalize on that relationship by becoming a leader in the enterprise market, if not the consumer market. Michelle?
Karina, tell us more about Office 15. How's it going to be any different from previous versions?
Right. Well, it's actually changed the name. Initially, they were going to call it Office 15. Now they're calling it Office 2013. And the company is saying that there are hundreds of new features to this new suite of software. But the most important one is that it's going to be more compatible with tablets because it is really integrating touch. So you'll be able to use it on your smartphone as well as on your tablet. At the same time, it's going to be using its cloud services, which means that you'll be able to access your documents from a series of devices, and it's also going to be integrating Skype, which it acquired last year for more than $8 billion. So we should have more details. Right now, we don't know what the price is going to be, nor when the release date is, but it could be right around when the operating system comes out at the end of October. Michelle?
All right. Thanks very much, Karina Huber, live for us in New York.